I'm very nervous, to be honest. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is something that I would like to say one day because I haven't started my YouTube channel yet. This might be my first video. I'm not sure about the niche yet because I like fashion, I like makeup, and I like very random videos. So I have decided to go with the flow. Like I'm gonna create any content that's in my brain, and let's see how it goes. So today I'm gonna do get ready with me. I am already dressed. I'm gonna show you the entire thing later. I'm gonna proceed with my makeup. So let's get started. To be honest, I don't even know what to do क्योंकि मेरी मीटिंग चल रही है and so my meeting is going on और वो बैकग्राउंड में इतना आवाज़ कर रहा है. Oh my god. Call is finally over and luckily धूप अभी है. So we are gonna do the makeup. I have one question running in my mind right now, that where am I supposed to look? Like, is it into my own eyes or is it the camera? What if it looks weird? One second, I'm gonna just try. Camera it is. I have to look into the camera. I just hope this. I remember looking into the camera and not myself because I do that a lot. Anyway, we're gonna get started with the makeup. First is primer. First is primer. I use this Nykaa primer because this is very affordable and I'm not much into makeup yet. So this was affordable and I thought this could be a perfect thing. This is my second tube. So yeah, primer is very important. It just lets your makeup sit and it will just fill in the pores, so it's easy to apply the makeup. And today I'm gonna go for a light makeup, not very heavy. To be honest, I'm not a fan of heavy makeup. It just makes me feel too much. Please bear with me with the process. मैंने ज़्यादा primer ले लिया. Now this much is left. What am I supposed to do? Oh my god. I see a lot of acne. Okay. So मुझे acne का problem बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा था. तो I've started applying retinol now. I've started slow. This is my first time. So I'm applying it once or twice a week. And what retinol does is it causes purging. पूरी skin को clear करता है. So that's what you can see here. See, I never had these pimples like so much on my face. But वो अभी है and it's okay. I mean, I'm holding up क्योंकि this would take time. I think I've been using retinol for almost 2 weeks now. So 3 से 4 application हो जाती हैं. First week मैंने 3 बार apply कर लिया था. I should not have done that because I'm a beginner. Anyway, I'm hoping this will clear my skin. So that's fine. Okay, so we are done with the primer. The next step is concealer. And just to let you know guys, I am not using foundation in this video. I mean, I usually do not use a foundation. I use concealer as my foundation. So you'll see the application everywhere. It's not actually on the... Okay, before concealer, yes. Before concealer. We're gonna go with the color corrector. Color corrector is for the spots, like they're gonna be visible even after the concealer. So what you do is you color correct them before going with the foundation or concealer. These are acne spots. So इसके ऊपर अगर आप कंसीलर का या फाउंडेशन का एप्लीकेशन करते हैं, इट्स वेरी इजी. आपके वो स्पॉट्स बहुत ही ईजिली हाइड हो जाते हैं. ओके, आई एम डन विद द कलर करेक्टर. सो अब इसके ऊपर से कंसीलर का एप्लीकेशन बहुत ही ईजी हो जाएगा बिकॉज यू नो योर डार्क स्पॉट्स और द स्पॉट्स विच वर वेरी विजिबल वो ऑलरेडी ऑलमोस्ट कवर हो चुका है. सो इफ़ यू गो विद द कंसीलर नाउ तो उसकी हल्की सी लेयर वुड डू द जॉब. फॉर कंसीलर आई एम यूजिंग दिस Maybelline का Instant Age Rewind Eraser. Like this I'm using this for the first time, but I think it does the job. Funny story. For about 2 to 3 weeks, I could not figure out कि ये खुलता कैसे है. What I constantly did was this to get the product out, which was eventually not the right way until I realized you have to do this to get. Like you can see it here. That was, oh my god, that was very embarrassing. For the brush, I got this brush ka pura pack from Amazon. You have an option, you can just get the brushes or you can get it with the box. So yeah, and on the brush you would see it tells you which brush it is. Here you can see foundation and for example here you see this is powder brush. So if you're using the brushes for the first time, it's really okay. Concealer one. Okay, this is the concealer brush. Okay, I'm just gonna take some product. I told you guys I use my concealer as a foundation because I'm not a very big fan of foundation. तो मैं concealer को हर जगह लगाने वाली हूँ. तो don't be shocked. What you can do is जो है वो ड्राई नहीं होता है, यू कैन ईजिली ब्लेंड।
तो वो प्रोडक्ट को ड्राई नहीं होने देता है, सो दिस इज मच इजियर इन द एप्लीकेशन बिकम्स रियली सिंपल एंड आल्सो इट हेल्प्स यू सेटल द प्रोडक्ट थ्रू.
Okay, so we are done with the concealer. Next up, I'm just gonna put some setting spray again so that the product gets settled. We are moving to compact. For compact, I use this Fit Me. I am shade 310 Sun Beach. I'm working in night shift this week. Thankfully, it's the last day today. I'm gonna use a lipstick as my eyeshadow, as my blush, and as my lipstick. Very interesting. That does the job. So for 3-in-1 product, I'll be going with this Mamaearth Long Stay lipstick because this is a very neutral color. I think ये as a blush, as an eyeshadow, or as a lipstick बहुत ही neutralize कर देता है आपका look. Neutralize in a good way. It's like you're not extra, but you can see that simple sober सा look. So apply some of it on my nose. वो बहुत ही makeup match करेगा कि see the eyeshadow and this blush and the lipstick matches. It creates a very good look. For eyeliner, I use this Maybelline का bold line. वो मिट गया है, अच्छे से दिख नहीं रहा है, but this is bold line, you can see. This is Swiss Beauty का liquid highlighter. Okay, so I applied another layer of the lipstick, and what I do is I don't have a lip liner which matches this. So what I usually do is, this is one shade. I don't see the company. I can see the shade, but I don't remember what brand is this. Usually use this as my lip liner. Then I proceed to apply whatever lipstick it is. So it really gives that plumpy look. If I want, I can also go with the lip gloss, but right now because it's daytime, not exactly night, so I think I'm gonna skip that. I'm gonna keep it matte. We're almost done. There was one step which I entirely forgot, and that is to curl my lashes. And just make sure you don't get your skin in between. And for mascara, I'm using this Hypercurl waterproof. This is from Maybelline as well. Makeup looks really good, and also because the sunlight is hitting directly on my face, it's just popping up and I love it. आप पीछे देख रहे हो, this is all so messy. अभी ये इतना प्यारा बनाया था मैंने, and now it's all messed up. मुझे ये सब साफ करना पड़ेगा, and my shift has also started now. But this was really fun. I mean, I hope to make another video soon. First of all, thank you for watching this video. I'm very grateful. So this is it. I hope ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा हो, and I'll see you next time super soon. Then bye bye, see ya.